This is Mr. Beast's chocolate brand Feastables, and right now we will be trying each and every one of his flavors, including these nuts. So I'm really excited. Let's try it out. The original chocolate, and talking about the packaging, it's very thin, it's very nice, but oh wow, it says devour and it says share. Guys, let's try this out.
It's yummy.
Come on. The milk chocolate. Oh, again, it says share. I'm gonna eat the share. It's nice. This is like dairy milk. Each bar is around $3. যেটাকে 330 টাকার মতো পড়বে। Chocolate sea salt. It says devour on this end. This time we're gonna have the devour. This tastes much better. They have this QR code over here. So every time you scan this, you actually win a prize. These nuts. This one also tastes pretty good. The last one, the almond chocolate. Let's try this one out. Tastes a bit bland. If I had to choose the best one, it would definitely not be these nuts. It would be sea salt. This was pretty nice. Tag Mr. Beast and let him know you can hire me to make better chocolate.
আপনি কি হ্যালোউইনে কোনো ফেস্টিভ্যাল বার কিনেছেন?
হ্যাঁ আমি কিনেছিলাম।
বাহ, কনগ্রাচুলেশনস! আপনি জিতে নিয়েছেন $1 মিলিয়ন ফেস্টিভ্যালের লটারিতে।
আপনি সত্যি বলছেন?